Morning, everybody. Mike Vaki, Princetontrader.com, here for ntmarkets.com with your Friday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, I want to thank everybody that came to the webinar yesterday that I did for Bob Lang over at explosiveoptions.net. We went for about 90 minutes and just some really good stuff. And if you have a chance, come check it out. The recording link is up on my Twitter at Princeton Trader. It's up on Bob's Twitter at Aztecs99, and I'll have it up on my website at some point during the day today if you want to check it out over the weekend. Like I said, it's 90 minutes long, so pack a lunch. Daily chart, S&P 500 E-mini futures, and what we're seeing now, and the principal concern for me is you have the low from Wednesday, 26.75. You have the low yesterday, 26.75. 2021, 26.75. We continue at least potentially to create floors in the market. So the number one job for the bears today is they have to follow through on yesterday. They did allow new highs. So if they're going to get anything going, they have to break yesterday's lows. And yesterday's lows also happen to be Wednesday's lows and a potential floor. If they break below that area, it will be the first time since we started to rally up at 18 from way down at 1813 to 1815 that a potential floor has failed. So that's the job. That's the task for the bears today if they can do it. If they close below it, even better. The trouble is when you get down into 26.25, the dip buyers are going to come. And why wouldn't they? It's something that has worked universally during the course of not only the uptrend, but during the course of the V that we've seen off of 1813 to 1815. So the dip buyers will show up. They're not just going to take their ball and go home. For the bulls, you obviously need to hold that 26 area. You also need to demonstrate that whatever the low is today, that low is defended and rejected. You need to close it green, and you need to have a big afternoon to get that Friday afternoon squeeze going and have people thinking twice, going into Sunday night. You don't necessarily have to make new highs today, but it's only 8 handles away and it wouldn't hurt. So that's the task that's set out before both sides. As a trader, we're into day 5 of a fairly tight range here, and we are still overextended on a number of metrics. So watch your risk, watch your size, and don't get involved in something really large, either long or short, headed into the weekend. Protect your week if you're having a good week, and if you've struggled this week, this has been a very difficult week to trade futures. Very difficult, because we are so extended that it's causing very sloppy and whippy action in our opinion. Yesterday was the best trading day of the week. The first 3 days of the week were very whippy, very sloppy. In the course of what has been a very muted uptrend type of tape, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. But what we're telling our people is, let's be careful up here. The market needs to either confirm that the 26 floor and the 20 floor are good and we're going to make a serious leg up here, or we're getting ready to break those floors and come back and do a test of the middle band down in that 1990 area. Okay, everybody have a fantastic weekend. Follow us on Twitter at Princeton Trader. Check out the website. Come check out the chat room. I just posted the sign-up link for a 2-week trial to the chat because I've gotten a bunch of emails asking, what's the link to sign up? What's the link to sign up? So I just put it up on the Twitter at Princeton Trader. You can find it on the homepage of the website. You can click the orange button to go pro. It says go pro with Princeton with Premium Trader, and you can find the sign up link there. And a lot of people starting, a lot of people are in. Come check it out, and we would love to meet you and see if we can help you with your trading. Like I said, have a fantastic weekend. I'll be back Monday morning with another webcast. Trade them well, everybody.